Hello guys, welcome to next video of this series Python for beginners. In this video we will be exploring collection of objects in OOPS concept in Python. So without wasting any time, let's move to our destination folder and explore today's concept. So this is our destination folder and now I will open this folder in VS Code. So the folder is open in VS Code. Now let's open today's file, which is collection of object, and today is day 43 as you know. The main motive of creating this video is that I want to demonstrate if we can simply store the objects in mutable data types such as list, dictionary and tuples, because objects are mutable data type and we cannot store them in immutable data types such as sets. So let's explore today's code. So today's code is very easy. I have simply created a class customer and in that I have simply added constructor and just initialize few variables as you can see, which is name, age and gender. After that I have simply created three objects of class customer. In first customer object I have simply passed name as Aditya, age 23 and male as gender. In object C2 I have passed name as Yashasvi, age as 21 and gender as female. In class C3 I have passed name as Pratik, age as 22 and gender as male. And after that I have simply stored these three objects in list as you can see, and after that I have simply printed the list using i.name, i.age and i.gender. So let's run the code. So this is the output of this code, which is correct as you know. We can also save objects in tuples. I will show you right now. I can simply convert this square brackets to circular brackets and the list is converted to tuples that we have already seen in previous videos. So let's run the code once again to check the output, and the output will be exactly same because there is no redundant data in this case. We can also add another function in class customer to display the details correctly. I will show you that right now. Let's say def disp and I will simply pass this self. After that I will simply print, let's say f string and self dot name age is self dot age and gender is self dot gender. So this should work, and I will simply erase this data and I will simply write i.display, which is correct. So now let's run the output. So it will simply print the output as you can see, but we are getting a none. I know the reason, because we have printed here also and use print here also. So if I remove this print from this loop, we will get the expected output. So let's run once again. So the answer is Aditya's age is 23 and gender is male, Yashasvi's age is 21 and gender is female, Pratik's age is 22 and gender is male. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, then don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Also, if you face any queries or have any doubts related to this video or the entire playlist, you can simply message me on Instagram or in comment section below. And the source code of today's video is available in video description. You can definitely check out that. Here comes the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video.